Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm the Smartphone Guy coming back at you with another video, and tonight I want to share with you something a little bit different for this channel. I want to talk about some awesome deals going on over at Gearbest.com for their 4th anniversary sale. So the technical sale doesn't actually start until March 26th, then it goes through April 2nd. However, right now there's already some pre-sale warm-ups that started on March 20th. So just a few of the sample items that you can see on those deals. So I already mentioned one today out on Twitter. You want to check back daily because the deals do change from day to day. But earlier today, like for instance, the Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus was available for $160. Another great deal, and this one it seems to be going on throughout the entire promotion, and that is for this fantastic watch. This is the Amazfit Pace, a watch that I've reviewed very heavily on this channel. Still one of my favorite running watches. I'm actually reviewing the Amazfit Pace 2, but the Amazfit Pace is available right now for $90, a fantastic deal for that watch. And they do actually have the Amazfit Pace 2 available for $180 right now as well. Some other deals that they have going on. Now this one isn't for sale yet, but it will be for sale real soon. The Mavic Air, which happens to be by far one of my favorite drones I've ever flown. Actually, it is my favorite drone I've ever flown. They have this Mi Band 2, so if you're just looking for a fitness tracker, available for $20. That one also goes on throughout the entire length of the promotion. But a lot of the promotions change from day to day. I'm going to go ahead and share with you some of my favorite promotions that I know will be going on throughout the length of the deal for their anniversary sale. So here we are on the main page for the Gearbest 4th anniversary sale, and you can see that we have a few dates here up at the top. So first one is the party countdown that goes from March 20th through the 26th. That's what's going on right now. And then we have the main sale that goes from March 26th through April 2nd, and then they have an after party, I suppose is what you can call it, from April 2nd through the 9th. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll down. There's a ton of great deals going on, but you can see here that there is a coupon of the day up here at the top. Also some other deals that show up, then lots of vouchers. But then the area that I want to mainly focus on is right over here. So this today only section is where you're going to find the biggest deals of the day typically. So earlier today I mentioned one for the Redmi 5 Plus for $160. So check out my Twitter feed. If you're not following me on Twitter, I post a lot of deals going on. So check that out. But right now the deals actually aren't super great, but they change every so often, like I mentioned. So I'm going to scroll down just a little bit here because there are a lot of other great deals going on. So this is just a few of the deals. This is not all of them by any means, and you can see that each one of them has a few different pages to it, but a couple of them that I just wanted to highlight real quick. So one of them would be down here at the brand store, and you go over here to, like for instance, JJRC. There's a number of drones that are on sale, some great deals on some of the drones, and like I mentioned, there are going to be some great deals on some DJI drones coming up very soon, so stay tuned for those. But over here in the Amazfit section, so I've reviewed a number of these Amazfit watches, so one of them being the Amazfit BIP, which you can now get for $64. Great deal on that one. The Amazfit Pace, which is by far one of my favorite watches. I mentioned that a little bit earlier. That one's available for right around $90. And then the follow-up to the Amazfit Pace, the Amazfit Smartwatch 2 or the Amazfit Pace 2 for $180. Now, I do want to mention that this is the Chinese version. That's the version that I have at the moment, but you can actually get the English version. You can pre-order that one right now as well. So if you're interested in that, you can check that out. So I'm going to scroll up here real quick. So one of the things I want to mention here is, again, these do change, and as you can see, as I scroll from tab to tab, it's going to change, and these will also change as the next one ends. So as this one ends in 4 hours, there will be a new one that shows up here. So one of them that I wanted to highlight also over here on, this starts in a day and 4 hours from right now when I'm recording this video, but the Vertimix 2, that one is right now available for $89. Well, actually in a day and 4 hours it'll be available for $89. And when I reviewed this back a while ago, it was $180. So this is a fantastic 18:9 aspect ratio phone with a Helio P25 processor from MediaTek. So that one's going to be only $90. That is a insanely good deal. Another one is a drone that I've been looking at. I've had my eyes on this drone from Xiaomi for quite a while. It's the Xiaomi Mi drone, a 4K drone that's going to be available. Now, originally it was $500. It's actually they show $650 here. For a long time it was down to $500, but in a day and 4 hours it'll be available for under $400, which is a fantastic deal. And you can see it's not available yet, but that is a deal that is coming up. So like I mentioned, the deals will change from day to day, so definitely check them out. Keep checking in, and also again subscribe to me on Twitter or follow me on Twitter, because like I mentioned, I'm going to be sharing out some of these deals that are available as they come up. So hopefully this video has been helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace.